Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you two different ways to download the Netflix streaming services onto your Windows 10 and 11 PC. Now as you know, Netflix is mostly known for TV and laptop usage, but generally it's accessed through the website. However, we're going to be making it into an application, so I'm going to begin. First off, we're going to go to the bottom left, press on the start menu, and search up Microsoft Store. From there, once you wait for it to load up, as you can see, it's loaded up now. So what we're going to do is go to the search bar and we're going to be writing Netflix. From there, as you can see, right here should be the Netflix app. So I highly recommend you use Netflix off the app, which is right here. However, if you do not like the in-app experience and want the exact same browser feel, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that as well. So we can close this off. We're going to be opening up our Google Chrome browser, new window, and what I'm going to be doing is writing netflix.com. From there, once it loads up here, sign into your account, and once you're signed in, what you're simply going to do is go to the top right where the three dots are, press on them, press on more tools, press on create shortcut, and this should pop up. From there, delete this part, make sure Netflix is all that is contained. You're going to press on open this window and press on create. And as you can see, the Netflix icon and the tab is here, and it's a tab, so you can press full screen and this is your tab. So then you can simply pin it to your taskbar. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.